my name is Alice. Today we are going to make a fish tank and fishes with the help of paper and caps. We need paper, the cutouts of paper or sprinkles, and triangle, and some googly eyes, and decoration paper, some paint, caps, a straw, scissor, a glue, a straw, and a marker. Let's get started. First, you have to take a glue to color paper and draw a border on it. But if you don't have color paper, take a white color paper and color it with blue. Take the paper in a horizontal way, like this. First, we will make the grass, and the paper we want must be rectangle paper. To make the grass, it's so easy. First, just roll it in your hands, the paper, and roll it in your hands. It will look like this. I made 3 grasses. You can put it wherever you want, but you want to put it down. I stick the grass at the bottom side. Now I'm going to make more colorful grasses. See how I cut a colorful paper. Now I'm going to roll it and it will become a grass. See, my colorful grasses are ready. Now I'm going to stick them. Before putting the caps, we want to put the triangle paper which we cut before, and after that, you can keep the cap. Take the way which I stick the tail and the cap, and the same way we'll stick all the fishes at the tail. Then I'll show you the next step. See, my fish are ready. Now I'll to stick the fin and the eyes. Now we have to fix the fence. We want the shape of triangle or oval. The next step is fixing the eyes. using Googly Eyes for that. Next part is giving the fishes its mouth. First, how to do it is making a curve line down the eyes like this. See, all the lines are ready. My fish tank is ready. But looking more good, we are going to make some bubbles. To make bubbles, we want straw and white paint. You want to dip the straw in white paint, and you can keep the bubbles wherever you want. Then put the straw wherever you want in the page. See, my fish tank is ready and my fish to keep the bubbles, you have to always keep it close to the fishes. Try it and move. It's very easy. See, now I have two fish tanks. One is the pot and second is rectangle. Which one you like? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hope you like this video. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.